Guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to take you through 6 tips and tricks that you must know if you have a Cupra Formentor or a Cupra Leon. Let's get straight into it. The first tip is that if your car does come with the heated seats, there's a little shortcut on how to activate them. So you can do it by double pressing there, and you can see here the heated seats have turned on, and you can even change the intensity by pressing again, and now it's gone to 2. If you do it again, there you go, it goes to 1, and you can turn it off as well like that.
Just before we get into the video, I want to quickly say, please help the channel, like, subscribe and share.
Now the second tip is to do with the voice command or the AI assistance of the car. So to activate the Cupra voice assist, you just press this button. However, this button can also activate your AI voice assistance on your phone. If you have an iPhone, it will activate Siri. All you have to do is press and hold, and there you go. Tip number 3 is for the digital dash. Now digital dash is very customizable. I've done a whole new video, a whole separate video on how to customize and change the styles on here. There's a little shortcut on it though. So you see these side panels, if for instance you want to go on the map view and you want to see the full map, instead of clicking on the side button and crossing out each side section, what you can do is keep hold of the view button. I'll do it there now, and that will get rid of both side panels, and if you press and hold it again, it will return your original side panels back to how they were before. Now the next tip is to do with the infotainment screen. Everything is controlled from the screen, so things like changing your driver select mode and everything, you have to use the infotainment screen, and doing that while driving means that you have to take your eyes off the road. So what Cupra, they've kind of thought about it, but it isn't the best solution. They've made this little shortcut menu layout which you can customize, and what you can do here is add little widgets. For example, here I've put the driver select mode, and if you long hold on it, you can change what you can see there. I personally prefer this one because you can change driver select by just tapping this arrow. It's better than going all the way into driver settings and driver profile and changing it that way. You can also change the aircon at the same time without changing what's on the screen, and it has 3 different settings you can choose from. So you can do the air conditioning level. You can also choose where the air conditioning is coming from. You can also, for example, if you put air conditioning on here and you want it on the first option of the widget, and then you select air conditioning again, so I'll go here and select air conditioning, and then if I scroll down here, so now what I can do is I can have the fan speed there, and then I can have the direction of the air conditioning on that side, so you can simultaneously control whatever you like. So the next tip is when you get messages on the dash, what it does is, look, it covers the speed sector, and it stays there for a while. But if you want to get rid of it quickly, you can just press in OK, and that will get rid of any message or sign that appears and blocks off the center of the digital dash. It's very helpful sometimes. For example, you've turned the lights off deliberately and the car's like, please switch the headlights on, and it doesn't let you get off that warning sign without, there it is, you switch the lights on, and that will stay there until the lights are turned on. So if you want to get rid of it, just press OK. So the next trick, some of you might already know, and it is like a quick shortcut to get into sport mode if you want to like quickly overtake someone. Now as you can see, it's on comfort, meaning it's on drive mode here. However, if I flick this gear back, you can see it's gone to sport 2 there, but it's still on comfort mode there. And to change it back to drive, all you have to do is flick it back again. There we go, back to drive.